So now we're looking at the Sensors for Color training challenge in VexIQ Highrise Virtual World. For Sensors for Color, your goal is to program the robot to move forward until the color sensor detects the red cube, pick it up, and drop it off in the goal. Now, there are other cubes that are visible on the field. Here, a blue, red, green, and blue cube are all here in a row. But the only one that's physically real is the red cube. So you don't have to worry about moving around the other cubes. Just go through them until you get to the red one and stop. Here's the code you're going to need, at least just to get to the red cube. I'll let you do the rest of it yourself. You're going to need to have the motor and sensor setup created for the Clawbot IQ robot. So Robot Virtual World Clawbot IQ. This is the sensor setup you want for motors and sensors as well. And then inside of your task main, you need a while loop. And this says while, and in parentheses, get color name, and color detector is the name of our sensor. So get color name from the color detector sensor. And then this exclamation point equals means not equal. So get color name color detector not equal to color red. As long as we're not getting the color red from our color sensor, which is actually on the claw itself on this robot, as long as we're not getting that color red as our return value, then set motor speed 1 and 6 to 50. When we do get the return value of color red, in other words, when the color red is seen by the sensor on the claw, then we want the while loop to stop and go on to the next part, which stops the robot's motors 1 and 6. All right, so this is your basic code. Let's see how it runs. We're going to ignore the blue one. It just disappears. We're going to get to the red one and stop. You see it's right there inside the claw. The claw sensor is right here on the corner of the claw. Let's run it one more time. See, now the red block is at the very back. But the cubes in front of it aren't real. You just drive right through them when they're gone. Okay, so we haven't stopped yet. We haven't detected red yet. When we do detect red, the robot should stop. All right? Now it's on you to write the code for closing the claw, raising the arm, turning around, and going back to your main target here to drop off your cube. Good luck.